My name is Caleb Park. I am the CCO of SOTTO. Today we'll be going over a coping skill, but before that, I do recommend that to find the right coping skills, that you schedule an appointment with one of our SOTTO coaches to see what fits your situations the best to find the right coping skills for you. Hi, let's focus on meditations and hobbies. Meditations and hobbies are very common and it's something that we hear a lot of times. If you go to Google, YouTube right now, there are hundreds of versions of meditations and hundreds of hobbies you can have, such as sports, music, drawing, arts, or maybe even going on a walk with your dog. Using all these methods, it helps us to really alleviate when we're honed on to a matter that is bothering us, that is sometimes very heavy in our heart. For example, anxiousness. When we're anxious or when we're stressed out or even when we're depressed, we're really focused on that matter. I'm anxious, I'm stressed out, I'm depressed. But it will also help us to have a side activity that helps us to meditate, right? Rebalancing our life, or finding a hobby to really hone on something else that makes us happy, hone on something that makes our brains feel that natural happiness, to re-alleviate that calm and that neutrality in your heart. And for anyone who is suffering through these matters and is having a hard time, what's a good meditation method, what's a good hobbies, please go meet with one of our SOTTO coaches. They will be wonderful people to talk to figure out what will work best for you. So I hope this video helped.